Good morning, candidates. Today we are having 5 new words. The first word is defy. D-E-F-Y, defy. The meaning for that is to refuse to obey somebody or something. To refuse to obey somebody or something. Example sentence: the protesters defied orders to leave. The protesters were asked to leave. They defied. Synonyms: disobey. Defy का मतलब disobey, go against. Flout, disregard, ignore, challenge, resist. Antonyms: yield, opposite of defy. Agree, yield, obey, surrender. So the word for today, first word is defy, meaning is to refuse somebody. Synonyms are disobey, go against, flout, disregard, ignore, challenge, resist. Antonym: yield, obey, surrender. Now, next word we will go. Next word we will take as this one: dogma. D-O-G-M-A, dogma. Dogma का मतलब ये होता है a belief or set of beliefs that people are expected to accept as true without questioning. That is, कुछ नियम बहुत साल से हो रहा है, उसको हम लोग accept कर रहे हैं. A belief or set of beliefs that people are expected to accept as true without questioning. Example sentence: because I am a seeker of truth, I do not accept every bit of dogma as fact. Because I am a seeker of truth, I will accept only if I am considered it is truth. I do not accept every bit of dogma as fact. I don't accept everything as fact. Synonyms: doctrine, gospel, credo, tenet. This word is a new word, credo. I have not come across earlier. Tenet, doctrine, or okay. Gospel is also, maybe you must have heard. Antonyms: disbelief, ignorance, uncertainty. Ignorance and uncertainty. Let us go for the next word. The next word given is adulation. A-D-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. It's not a very common word. Meaning is extreme or excessive admiration or flattery. See, this is what is happening in the case of film superstars and all. People have a enormous admiration. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, we had one cine actor, N.T. Ramarao. He was worshipped as a god. Similarly, in Tamil Nadu, we had one M.G. Ramachandran, Jayalalitha and all. They were all considered as god and or even worshipped. Lot of admiration for them. Example sentence: the book was received with adulation by critics. That is, the book was received very well. It has been given good appreciation. Synonyms: admiration, worship, respect, idolizing. Awe means you are simply surprised, over surprised. Devotion, devotion. Antonyms are condemnation, ridicule, criticism, mockery. Adulation का मतलब praise करना और worship करना और से admire करना, उसका opposite होता है mockery. अरे भाई, so he is not good person. They make fun of him. This, yeah, it happens. Right from all through the ages, it has been happening. Some people are worshipped like God. A few others make mock at them. This is what is happening. Now we will go to the fourth word. Fourth word is atone. लगता है simple, but meaning मालूम होना तकलीफ है. Atone. Atone का meaning to make amends, to make changes. Show that you are sorry for doing something wrong. That is to accept some mistake on our part. He wanted to atone for his sins. Synonyms: redeem, apologize, compensate, pay, absolve. Redeem, apologize, compensate, pay, absolve. Antonyms: disagree, spoil. Disagree, atone ka opposite is disagree or spoil. So next we will see the fifth word of the day. Fifth word of the day, we will see if it is there. Yeah, it is there. This word is spearhead. It's a good word. Spearhead. What is the meaning of that? To lead something, such an attack or a course of action. To lead something such as an attack. The leader spearheaded the activities. Rakesh will spearhead our new marketing campaign. Mr. Rakesh will spearhead our new marketing campaign. Super. Synonyms: forefront, सामने पहले stand करना. Pioneer, first one. Head, vanguard. Antonym क्या होता है? Obey. Obey. Next one, is it simply defer or defer? Do we have such a word on that? It's only defer. Defer is also there. Defer is also there. I think it is. What does defer stand in medical dictionary? Defer का मतलब kick off in the style with a special launch. So यहाँ पर इसका मीनिंग होगा आपको spearhead, इसका ऑफर इज defer, follow, comply. The last one is serve. Spearhead means to lead. उसका opposite is obey, follow. ठीक है? Very good. Thank you. We have seen today 5 words. Not only 5 words, meaning for them, example sentence, then synonym 2, 3, 4, like that. So minimum you must have heard, you must be familiarized with 40 to 50 words. Listen once again, take down notes, write in your notebook in alphabetical order what are all the words we are discussing every day, so that when you revise it on a later date, you will be able to understand the meaning of all the sentences. Thank you. Thank you so much.